this works. Okay. What did you like most about Dave?
I liked that I came in and was not dismissed because I am a woman, and someone took time to listen to me about what I thought the problem was, and then they proceeded on and investigated that what I thought was the problem actually wasn't the problem. And instead of just sending me out and saying, well, here's what the problem is, they actually took me out in the car and made sure that that's what I was hearing, and they really did a great job.
Thank you.